Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be removing the front bumper on a Lexus IS. This is a 2017, but the process is still the same from the previous models, which are going to be right here. So let's go ahead and get this process started. All right guys, so to start off this process of removing the front bumper, what we're going to have to do is kind of remove this little top plastic trim piece first. There's all these little tabs right here, which to pop these out, it's actually kind of interesting. It's like a little button. You're just going to push the button, and then I suggest using a pry tool, which I actually have right here, and you're just going to get right up underneath that, and then it pops right out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do that to all of them. Next, we're going to have a 10mm hex bolt, so we're just going to go ahead and unscrew that. There's going to be two tabs right here as well. There's going to be another hex right there, and then the same thing on the other side. So then to remove these, you're just going to take a little pry tool, and you're just going to get right up under the edge. You're going to pop it up, and then it's going to stick up really high, and then you can just go ahead and pull it out all the way right there, and then the entire thing just pops up out of place. So you're going to go ahead and do that to all four. All right, so I don't think this applies to all of them, but the front logo on mine is actually a little radar. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug the cord leading to that, which is actually right up in here. And so I know I'm going to have to do that at some point because it does connect to the car. So I'm just going to go ahead and unplug that now. So that can be done by using like a screwdriver, or for me, I'm using like a little file. I'm actually going to go right up under here, which lifts up the little tab. Which little tab is right there where my thumb's at. So you lift up that little tab, and then it should be able to slide right off. Just like that, it's off. So you can kind of see it right there. That's where the little tab is. And then there's gonna be like a little gap right on the top edge of there. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and set that wire aside. All right, so next we're gonna come to the wheel well here, which is gonna be another one of those little tabs. We just kind of get underneath the edge of it. It pops it up and out, and you can use the pry tool to pull it completely out of the car. And then for mine, these other ones were just kind of like already off. So that wasn't connected. And once I popped that one out, it kind of freed up this whole section. So I don't think it needs to even do anything with these. There's also gonna be another 10mm hex bolt up underneath here. So we're gonna pull back the carpet, and it's gonna be right here on the corner. So not very far back, really easy to get to. All right, so now I got each side removed. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is up on the underside, there's actually gonna be more stuff. So let me go ahead and show you up under here. All right, so up underneath here, there's gonna be another one of those little tabs with the pry tool. You're just gonna pop that out. There's gonna be a hex bolt right there. And then there's gonna be a line of them. There's gonna be like one right here, another one right here. You can kind of see where they are along that leading edge. So you're just gonna go ahead and use your 10mm and go ahead and take those out. All right, so now once we pretty much take out all the bolts, what we're gonna do is come to each corner. We're actually going to pull straight out. It's gonna pop it out of place. We're gonna do that on either side. Then the entire front bumper should just pull straight off the car. Once you pull it off, keep in mind that there are going to be cords that we're going to have to unplug, so definitely don't just pull it off and yank it. And just like that, the front bumper's off. All right, so now that the bumper's off, down inside we're gonna see a couple different connections. There's this one right here, which is already unplugged. There's that, which is kind of like capped off. I do not have fog lights on this car, so I'm guessing those are kind of like the setup for if I did have fog lights. But I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this right here, which is gonna be the same method as before. We're gonna stick something like a little screwdriver, or like in my case, my little file. Just stick it under from like right here, lift up the tab, unplug that. Then there's gonna be this other one, which is gonna be like a little button, a little square button to push, and then we're gonna pop that straight off as well. So now we've disconnected all these connections, like the two on this side. We have that middle one from the little radar, which I suggest doing early on, and then we got the other one on the other side. Now the bumper's removed. But also, all the tools I use in this video are going to be down in the description down below. Go check out those Amazon links so you can go pick up all these tools. They're tools that you're probably going to use for like almost every single project, so definitely go down, get some of those. But if you guys like this video, definitely get on and hit the like button down below and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos with my Lexus. I'm going to do all kinds of crazy awesome videos with this car, as well as a bunch of how-tos, so definitely hit that subscribe button. But also let me know if this video helped you guys out. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.